Okuja to Ablakwa ye the thing to say they didn't call him musu.
Yet yes, na Donald Trump. Eka say we a USA de free Africa for. Anna, a is one chiasi. Mami omoko, so they will hear from us. Yes, hey, Chadia Woyano. Went ye South African president in Swako, South Africa. Okoye Donald Trump and Jojo. Yatiana, your mama should not to Donald Trump at the end of the Yansa be near say, hey, Munya de Muyano, Namuku diplomatic passport.
A two media no said there Samuel Okatakyie Afrifa, our foreign affairs minister, or his excellency the president, John Mahama, almost one shipa. Afrifa, any other TikTokers, audio conversation, or more air blast. Nina Efa, American President Donald Trump, what you say, Jabo for Abba Ghana, for Mutukai, Eba America, Anna Nutrim said, Open so better America, 5 years visa, any hobby, and just 3 months. Obeta better America, Kurumo, Abosume, me and Sape. Abosume and so was our coffee, not a quaint catafo from Nasaba back. I'm a side of one for Trim say a year, and some Kanye Bia, Mahama, any honorable Ablakwa, Eke Kanye, and National President Ebufu, Ama Ode, and Sherry, Abeto Ghanaso. I high Penyah media, Mess Ross and Lady. Obey like a video, no other mobile subscriber to the subscribe notification and confidence updates. Now, better the wide their mammy ever comments, especially also Baswa. But no, she be don't from any be ashes. It's other quite a try our Ghana, America for Omo Visans and 7 and only share, you say, Omo de Abba Ghana, Omo review Omoniamano. The our Ghana had episode to quite echo America. Omo Eddie and Shew for Abba, I share no. I'm of what Trims a someone Ablakwa, name some Kayabi. And over far away being in a buy. Saying that conversation SRT. On the 1st of July 2025, you know, Anna Alison M. Hooker, MQ post our Twitter, and I say, I had a productive discussion today with Ghana Minister for Foreign Affairs, Minister Samuel Okatakyie Afrifa. We focus on strengthening the US-Ghana partnership and commercial and immigration issues important to both of our countries. There's a Omukoshia Edidim Komo. Ghana, USA, and Kita Monia Young Kufano, Omgosia Mukina. Now, Omeki this particular post, Anna Bureau of African Affairs, as Emeki a tweet reply to that. And I said, SBO Fitchwell was glad to join Undersec States for a great meeting today with Ghana Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Okatakyie Afrifa, where we discussed economic, commercial, and immigration issues important to our country. Post now. Alison Emeki Enwa Anna Bureau of African Forso Emeki and Enwa Chino Anna American Senator Bako lawmaker and replied that particular post with a tweet and a say instead of a trip to Washington DC, Ghana's foreign minister should focus on honoring his government commitment to repay US companies and the American taxpayers. We cannot keep subsidizing Ghana while it continues paying for larger debt to China. And on the say, Ghana ya de cap mo a kakese gumoso. I didn't know Oboka, Ablakwa, Obuboka to 2 Kwamba Washington DC, hold the conference, not the Adakasi, and for Subianiso. America Modia Kasi here, Sika. Mo Babusha was about Ghana cow with Rubetia, Antinka, Oboka, about Washington DC for trip near the idea William. And Gadeska, Montanasi, Namunian, Namuabo, no America for come with the moment you be, every say. More the America for companies like Cassia. Taxpayers' money over the Yano, any of one of the Abosia de Bremo Ghana. It is a more Baba Trebak. I come on Tnefi. Now, Yanisha, now met your car would a gumoso. What I say, come with ya. It is post with Anna American Senator or lawmaker. Okay, Enomo, Anna Ablakwa Ebai, or apply with a tweet. Now your address. This is very rich coming from someone who refused to engage in same advocacy for the payment of reparations by the US for its despicable and condemnable role in slavery. You will not be allowed to dictate to a sovereign country on how we conduct our foreign policy. If you need to remind it, this is Kwame Nkrumah's Ghana, the first African nation to defeat colonialism and imperialism. I say, yes, Massa, Nyabatre, where young Nkrumah Ghana, where young Nkrumah Ghana, Tano baby, won't you trade the Yademoka, and not just Yedi or Kafodidi or Kafodidi Yademoka and ultimate no group. Emek chere de yenye awe ye Kwame Nkrumah Ghana be ka mo ase ye ne oman ahodo ye ne oman wa Africa hanwa de di nka kun 2 benefit as free Africans ase so ye di ga je for ahodo free mo nsem etima sa yesterday ye mo kan je say makase ye di rofo And Ablakwa make this particular post on 5th July 2025 year. 3 days. That is on the 8th July 2025. And about this, you say, American President Donald Trump review Ghana, your visa. Yes, you to about once the first, not my 5-year working visa. Can we 5-year working permit? Say, over America, bet my 5 years. This is the amount, and you're 5 to bet my co Abbas, Ablakwa, 5 years on soon. Now, what Bafi? That's what's happening and cut out for and what's happening. But now, what's what Teso? Every 5 years, I will do 3 months. I was maybe as a pet. It was to go America now. Over 3 months, I was maybe as a pound. This was a fee. Now, Ben cut off floor. No, Asako. It is school brother. 3 months via is over Ghana. As a bit 3 months over Ghana. Every crater as a buffalo. Now, Asako. And no one for to say, Ablakwa. How was he clashing with that US lawmaker? And I'll come for the way you know the other. It's media no today. Afrifa. I join a conversation with other TikTokers. Now, Ablakwa did. Omake can be par Edia to them.
Okay, so first of all, maybe I can't send me more video. Then if you have the video, some 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago. They can't be bitching. I'm saying, you know, could you try to choose a mirror of justice? And a America for a year. Yet, you say not Donald Trump. I can't say, well, a USA, the free Africa for. Anna, I used one chassis. Mammy Omoko, so they will hear from us. Hey, Chadia Woyano. When South African president in Swako, South Africa. Okatakyie Donald Trump and Jojo. Yatiana, your mama should not know to Donald Trump at the end of the Yansa be near. Hey, Munya, the Muyano, Namuko diplomatic passport. It's Yamuyan and Kamo. Hey, Kwasimanu, Yamansa, one of the canoe. Yaka umanti. Okuja to Ablakwa. Yatia was your Makoklo Washington hey, diplomatic circles, we don't behave like that. When you behave like that, that means you are being hostile towards the host nation. Maybe can you? The man for you trauma da pa. Muntie de mekana anon why muntie kakrana na kasamabre. Muntie travel ban. Say now the United States are banning countries. Be say more mumbraho. And they say almost say review 36 countries. 36 countries and Ghana to 16. Trump administration considers adding 36 countries, including Ghana, to its travel ban. Why yeah, and he say wow, America say Trump with the Ghana for come when you been called. Munu animal more horses were Ghana on Timin Kubu. Donald Trump are dear person no. And you say now then what person yes sir. Danny, to America ya opa when you been cool. Americans show the heaven on earth too. Hey, Okobi and moving Kikangwa Sasamon. American one more uncle. Danny bra back. When I'm Kokaye, Saban Beba. Covid, your woman say, your friend be a year non-immigrant visa. It be a B1, B2. B1, B2 near the all call for tourism, the all call for business, any idea. Who we also are okay train K2 ne one. Na students tieni ho. I had a hard granny. 10 years. B1, B2 no. Maybe J media somewhere 2020. First one. And only a amount of 5 years. Multiple entry. Nemo moye entry bianwa. Obedi 6 months. No banwa sa ya another multiple entry. And yes, so kuja to so in diplomatic circles, we have something called reciprocity. So reciprocity is said you will behave towards us and said you behave towards you. And Ghana for America forward you say, oh ya ni adieno. Ya no oh free oh ya American na woba. Ya ma 5 years multiple entry. And America for suma ya 5 years multiple entry. Ya so kuja try in the true mirror of justice. Ako trokrata say free na de kono. America for a year in Yadia, or mobile almost 3 months, single entry. TNO, America for bar, or almost 3 months, single entry. Single entry is how the visa Nina Kokrumo. Now Pio Krumwa, won't me fan Kubu. Nemum de Ukramenwa, and say Yamincha, the Nanu Yana Sakoji 5 years. So, 5 years, we went to me the acquire 5 years in the best one. Multiple entry. And the America for say, and I'm Okuja to Ablakwa. And the president behavior, and the vice president in team. all non-immigrant visas. All non-immigrant visas. B1, B2, K3, Deben Yinano. They say Yabama Teremam Sepe. Nemo may a single entry. First in your 5 years, multiple entry, and no could your Ablakwa behavior. Near to one American senator be, Echo Churo be between the social media, and no could your two foreign affairs in social media chance who didn't with them. Me the number one diplomatic agent of this nation. How you could your Ablakwa? Aki Yankasaka Sabasabasa. Okuja to Ablakwa say American Senate be akwa ko bibi no akwa tworo brofo na we are sovereign nation na sovereign day na dem you can dictate to us sovereign nation so you are to about ogeism mo dia want me and declare our stance o sovereign o yenda bay okuja to so you sovereign nation da bay brofo ko tworo ni o nemo mu kwa in diplomatic circles so we are foreign affairs minister you are not on the same rank with any senator of a nation. Because the number one diplomatic agent is the president, followed by you. And in diplomatic circles, you say NC grow at the pain. It will be a president who deal with the president of another nation, or be a vice president, or deal with the vice president of another nation. Whereas if you're a foreign affairs minister, by diplomatic immunities and diplomatic circles, you only deal with the foreign affairs minister of the nation. And so could you to Ablakwa? Or to social media, Obia can be no responding. What kind of diplomacy is this? What kind of wacky diplomacy is this? And then the hard grain say, you will J1 and F1 visas and M1 visas. And will be a walk wako suyandi and ye demano and canteteno. And apart from some you win. Nanka uko suyandi say 1 year or 2 years old. Yamao a year sa 1 year no. Ni ama multiple entry. And no kuja tonse muna wako dinti. America force who kwa kusua dio unko sua dio J1 visa F1 visa you be ma 3 months single entry. It is a who start school from August our university Temple University our Harvard our Henfa Nase from August September 1 month October 2 months November 3 months. Meanwhile school ebe wie as a December. But per a year okuja 20, and then you are supposed to go up to November, come back and come and reapply. You are not even sure the date you did amount. Okuja Ablakwa. Catch your mama one of the people will be good no. And no okuja Ablakwa student American University in 3 months as well back. Now sabe reapply. Na meno kase kwani even so benya even date. Ubenya date kwa kuvi eyasemu. Enipa nya date. Suku bebie wa America as of August. But the no kosa okupe date. Sometimes unya a year October, unya no December ni ade. And no cry problem in yan so binwi. And no could the behavior nti. Meno kase America force we student when you student. Ombema a year 3 months with single entry. And because of reciprocity, said you'll behave towards us, and you behave towards you. It's more America, want to margin and the Makaha, more Pescu aqua. Govi, Nani Mumrancher Maba way Pescu aqua. How could you try block your chance? Capture them, Sadiano could you to ye? We don't do it in diplomatic circles. Kasamba Sabasa. Be able to say why campaign. Say Munu, now we are a sovereign nation. Sovereign nation. On paper you are a sovereign nation, but in reality you are not. Sovereign nation, by no sovereign nation there by the way. Buga sa. Etina open school akwa. Obenya 3 months. Single entry. Obi. Yeah. Omo ye business om kofa nioma ba first kanya 5 years ultimately koban 10 and then because of this behavior unya so ko business ya eso sa ukoba bia uko reapply etua visa fees ka first year ma 5 years utua visa fee one for 5 years and then because of that 3 months bia so ko tua visa fee. And visa fee now go to your media 2,300 Ghana cedi. Yes. It's every 3 months to be so cocoa to your visa fee. Behave basa. And Okatakyie Ablakwa, watching an emergency meeting. You need to have a meeting with the ambassador of US. Because Saudi Weber blockade the chances of a branch and Mamba Mupe school. And Okophobia file him when your school did that. Don't do that. Don't do that. What you are doing, you owe your mum for. Because in Kofa file in your school, you are denying them access with your behavior.
So fire.
I never know. I never knew man amoyan tantantansa. I'm a woman. Dek. I'm a woman can come back and fire. As a social media about telling so and we've partnered with this. There be our partner with this partner. And so when you makura was warrior. And we've partnered. Create 2,000 jobs. You're creating jobs in social media and showing you reality.
Reckless people. Fire. Bend them
all. America. Baby, I do. Why? No, I'm telling you. And it's a serious issue because of students. Because of students. Imagine when you're university, now Oko, near so called 3 months single entry. A junior could do one time our first year. Self free or minimum bra. Never reapply. As to date, I'll be saying you cry for a year appointment requires some before. What kind of nonsense is this? Okatakyie Afrifa.
reckless. Country I went here.
What Yanam catch us and you and be mad samaba. That's why your hostile be towards America because I know you're Kwame Nkrumah nation. Kwame Nkrumah and the foreign policy was we neither face west nor east. We face forward. It's why Kwame Nkrumah nation. So are becoming hostile towards Americans because more than some are so beautiful and you're catered for and you're accommodated for. Same funu. I don't know. I don't can kind of moya sa. I will be answering Casasa. I don't know. I was just I don't can come on moya sa. But my students and watch it almost. I don't know. Deck. A school for no bachelor woman, and that's where my worry is. I don't know. Business already Nankas coffee, even so many appointment date. I quite watch me. School be August, and no back American there's a backlog. Appointment in October, in November, in December. And by this time you should have engaged the American embassy, the ambassador, and tell them, say, what you mean, some friend of Woody. What's happening? I'm so waiting in a wood in social media. And I'm not a senator. Like a foreign affairs minister. You are not on the same level with a senator. I never knew my phone where me who ye ka foreign affairs minister of America and a can be no no. Secretary of State, US Secretary of State, and I can be no if say you are on the same pedestal with the US Secretary of State. I never knew diplomacy can kind of way. I never know. Diplomacy can kind of. I was just a you saw your foreign affairs minister. How good you? That's not a joke. Now what is social media and I would do foreign affairs in social media? No, I could no make calls. And I'm a year call from hello, is that you? What you man know? What you man know? I never know. You're right, your mama. I call the woman. I'm telling you. If there's so who he need to someone, this is the guy who is dealing with foreign countries. And on the international plane, you know you can never do away with America. You know. No matter how you guys want to tilt towards the Soviet and China, you can never ever do away with America. Never can kind of.
Okatakyie Ablakwa ye de tiri to say they didn't call him musu. Okatakyie Ablakwa o tiri ho say driving mirror. Ade na hye me pa hye me. Na Okatakyie Ablakwa no a oka odwe say ye di minister no e wo ye na social media na. Okatakyie to yesra titi. You are the head of the diplomatic space as far as Ghana is concerned. Be serious for once. Impensi hunu. Ah, obeka sa de na wasori a wo title to Okudzeto Ablakwa sa. Menua, sesi a me ne wo kase. Dada ni nyina mbra na da ho ye se oye US citizen na so pese wo mbra Ghana. Oye citizen ko ade a na se ma 5 years, 10 years you have it in addition to multiple entry into US citizen no obetima ba Ghana so once as far as okra visa na obetima ba Ghana anytime ope asenya ko bia Okudzeto Ablakwa ba ya wo se dabi US citizens no ntimi ma Ghana time ope bia sa no wate so dia ba 3 months with single entry. Ana Trump say sir mo ye ne mu diagrasi na mba dia e chance na mo di besu na no so na di mbu aso so be de be kata okufiri almost one no say almost say almost etwa visa bia mu they say 3 months also so ye ma wa 3 months na de ma we reduce from 5 years 10 years to 3 months with single entry and say bre na onya US visa na okoduru ho a na so obetimi abagana o ma mi o papa wu o bagana wi a obeko bi oni so sanya visa me ne wo ka say so we visa for US the earliest appointment I will be to from Ghana to US no I started from 2026 2027 echo aseme me say simple World Cup aye bekoi ye kona se Ghana ebo match ba ko US na ye ko bi o Mexico na we mistake na fi US echo Mexico I no na waka ho ntimi samba US bio I so san baje visa foforo aden na wo say basa amambo no yenim se mabon yenim se muntimi emfa nko ba bia nanso eno nkyere se ye niema kakra ye beta fere ho no mo susu mi jere mo ma no hwere ye adai bone be ne aye US no so wan nim sade no heaven on earth ukọ abrochire ba bia no wan ko US onya ntu kwan afi ne ye pe kwan akobia se we ya wi pa ani hwan Okudzeto Ablakwa me de e be ya resign na wa bon dodo Okwa one foreign affairs minister ye kan bibia social media so no be respond adai mabu kakra mbra foreign affairs ministry nim na nkrofo o predecessors ba ye na ye hu de ombe ye wa won fa de papa bia ma wo so ansem hunu nko na odi wa ko China akwaji loan ntidi yi China ho ye ko pede ho masa be serious for once Okudzeto Ablakwa you are the minister of foreign affairs you are leading Ghana in the diplomatic space be serious enye nsem hunu bia na wo so odi nsem hunu e ba ho de nsa ba ke kan rough adai
Mame, comment section. How you